Hello, in this video we will show you how to share documents from within Google Drive and how to use folders to tidy up your drive and keep it organized. So as you can see in my drive here, I have two folders, English and Maths. I have a slide deck in Google Slides for adding in columns. I've got two Google Docs and I have one spreadsheet made in Google Sheets. If I want to share this slide with another person from the school, I'm going to right click or two-finger click if you're on a Chromebook and click share. In the box that pops up, I can just type in the name or email address of the person I want to share this with. And I have three options hidden behind the little pen here. So I click on this. The default usually is can edit, which means that Zach would have full ability to write on my documents, delete things, and add things. Can comment. This would mean that Zach couldn't change anything on the document itself, but could leave comments on the side for me to see. And then can view just gives Zach read-only access, where they can see the whole document, but not make any edits. Now, when you share a document or a file with somebody through Google Drive, they do get an email notification. You can switch that off with a checkbox there, but assuming it's on, you can write a note here to form part of the email. Hi, here's that slide deck for you to work on, let's say. And that will then be immediately sent when I click send. I can put as many people's names as I want and send it all in one mass go. I don't have to do it one by one. The other option, let's do it with the Owain Glyndŵr piece of work here, is again to right click and go to share. But this time I want to make it open so that I can just send the link to people. So this time I'm going to click on get shareable link. And then you have here this link that you can copy, put it in an email, school website, or in Google Classroom, and anyone can click on that link and view the document, because view is the default when you do it this way. The default in most schools is that this link will only work for people logged in to an account from your school, or if you're on Hub, that they're logged in with a Hub account. If you want to open it wider, so that parents can see, for example, click where it says anyone at your school or at Hub where the link can view. Click on more and go to anyone with a link, which means that if you put this link on the website, anyone who clicks on it can see the document. For example, if you want to put school policies up. If for some reason you want to give anyone in the world who clicks on that link editing rights to your document, you can do that as well by changing here from can view to can edit. Click save, and again you can copy that link and put it wherever you want to share it. So that's the basic sharing from Drive. Just to help keep it tidy, you can see I've got two folders up here. So we can drag this adding columns one into the maths folder and do the same for the times tables. Now I notice I don't actually need my English folder. I have no work to put there. It's empty. So for that one, again, I can do a right click and I have an option to remove if I so wish. And to make a new folder for these history pieces of work, I click new, click folder, give my folder a name. And if you want to move more than one thing into a folder at the same time, just click and drag over them, and then you can move them together into that folder. And one last thing, once you're inside a folder, it's possible to do subfolders. Let's call this one essays, so that you can manage it and organize your Drive even more thoroughly. There you go, simple sharing through Drive and how to keep it that little bit more organized.